In today's video, I'm doing another airbrushed pour. I have my canvas, my airbrush, and I'm keeping this color palette very simple with black and white paint. I'm using titanium white and carbon black. Both have been mixed with Vallejo pouring medium and airbrush medium. The airbrush medium is very fluid, and with adding that to my paint mixture, I don't need to add any water. I'm starting out by just putting a base coat of black down, and to help smooth it out and get a nice even coat, I'm using my sponge brush to smooth the paint out. I'm just starting out by slowly adding portions of white paint and a little bit of black paint surrounding it to help move the white paint out when I blow it. I found that if there are dry areas of the canvas, when the paint hits it, it won't move very well, so that's why I continue to put down more of my base color that I used. I like to work from the corners and have my design meet in the middle of the canvas. So just like I did on that first corner, I'm moving to the second corner and slowly just adding some white paint and some more black paint so that I get the direction and the flow that I want to go in. And I'll just continue to keep adding small amounts of white and black paint until I have the final design that I like.